Hi everyone, and welcome to NIA News. Vietnamese immigrant owns 2 restaurants in Taipei. Vietnamese immigrant Phan Hong Cam married her Taiwanese husband when she was 20 years old. With the support of her husband, she opened 2 Vietnamese restaurants in Tam Sui and Shilin in Taipei. Her husband passed away, however, leaving her to be responsible for taking care of the family and the restaurants. Phan's advice for new immigrants to Taiwan is that they should work hard and not be afraid of a difficult life, because they represent their home countries now that they live in Taiwan. NIA and Minh Huế College of Healthcare Management launched new immigrant family care project. Many immigrants move to Taiwan to give birth and take care of older adults and children. In addition to medical care services, they require assistance with issues such as mental health and childbearing. The director of the National Immigration Agency in Tainan City's second service station, Chen Heyao, visited the president of Minh Huế College, Ye Chi-cheng, to discuss this issue on June 18th. Ye hopes to combine the medical resources, mental health services, and nursing skills in a program that will help new immigrants as they take care of their families. New Immigrant Family Development Education Program held by Tainan City First Service Station and KHGS. The National Immigration Agency in Tainan City's First Service Station cooperated with Quanghwa's Girls Senior High School to host family education development programs. The director of the counseling office, Lin Xiu-lin, was invited to discuss and share issues relating to family life with new immigrants to assist them as they adapt to life in Taiwan. New Taipei City Government held 7th Foreign Worker Singing Contest. The new Taipei City Government held the 7th Foreign Worker Singing Contest Finals on June 22. 24 contestants joined this competition, including foreign workers from Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines, as well as Taiwanese employers. In addition, the mayor of Taipei City, Eric Chu, also attended to encourage the participants. The Labor Affairs Department of the new Taipei City Government said it hopes to offer foreign workers entertainment, promoting communication and positive interactions between laborers and management at the same time. At the contest, a 92-year-old man from Yonghe District sat in a wheelchair and also the limelight. He joined the singing contest with his Indonesian caregiver, Yi In, singing the chorus of Teresa Deng's famous song, Sweet Sweet. Yin In was surprised that they actually entered the finals. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching.